Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's session. In today's session, we will be learning how you can create a small gesture control fruit game, right? So let us start our coding. So first of all, I'll be selecting the Python coding from here. I have to delete this sprite and I need a sprite over here that is an apple, and also I need a monkey. Next, I also need a backdrop. Let me select a good backdrop from here. So I'm selecting this. Great. Now I have to do some changes in the size of the apple as well as monkey. So I'm keeping this as 30. Let us see. No, it's quite small. Let us keep it as 16. Fine. And the size of the monkey can be around about 70. Let us check. Or 80. Fine. So now we'll start our coding first for the apple. But let us set the position of the monkey first. Okay. Great. So initially I want my apple to be hidden. So I'll write sprite hide. Now next I have to create one fall function. So to make my apple fall, so I'll define my function def apple. And I want to first create a clone of the same. So I'm writing sprite dot create clone, and I want to show it. So sprite dot show. Fine. Now I want my apple to fall from the random position. So I'll be importing a keyword random. So import random, and I'll just declare the maximum and the minimum value for the same. So I'm writing no is equals to random dot int and int, and I'll give the maximum and minimum value. And now I want my sprite to go to X and Y position. And then I'll call the function. So this is done. Now I'll go for certain condition so that the monkey can touch it and it can grab it. So while true, sprite dot change y. Okay, this is actually we are defining the speed with what speed it should come. sprite dot change y, and I'm defining the speed over here, that is minus 3.5. Let us keep that. Now, if sprite dot is touching, okay, if sprite is touching the monkey, okay, so if my sprite is touching the monkey, what should happen? The sprite should hide. Fine. And again, I'll call my fall function. Elif dot sprite is equals to minus 180. And again, my sprite should hide. And it should fall. So this is what we have done for the apple sprite. Okay, so we are done with it. There's some error happening here. Let us just rewrite it again. Elif dot sprite dot y equals to minus 180, and sprite dot hide and fall. Okay. So this is the entire code. We have done it over here. So we have hidden the sprite, make it fall. So this is now done. Let us go for the monkey sprite now. I'll be using hand is equals to posenet. Okay, and the sprite dot go to xy will be 7 and 120 minus 120. Okay, now I want the video to be on. So hand dot video to be on. So I'll write on with transparency. So I'll just keep the transparency as 70% and will enable the box. So hand dot enable box. Okay. Now now I want it to analyze my hand and based on that detection, it should grab the apples. So I'm specifying the condition. While true, okay, while it is true, hand dot analyze hand. Now, if okay, hand dot is hand detected, fine. So sprite should set x, right? Hand dot get hand position will be 1,8. Let me just set even for y as well. Sprite dot set y hand dot get hand position, and this will be 2,8. Fine. Now again, one more if function we will use it to create the sound. So if sprite dot is touching, right? Touching the apple. Please make sure that you use the correct name. Okay. Sprite dot play until done. It should make sound. Okay, so you can go to the sound block and you can see there are two sounds. And this is the other one. So we'll use this. So we'll copy the name from here directly. Okay. And we are now good to go. But first of all, let me just change the name. Okay, so I'm changing the name to Gesture Fruit Game. And fine, we are good to go. Let us save it. Okay, let us run all and check how is it working. So as you can see, my monkey is able to grab the apples and it is making noise also. So that was it for today. Hope you liked it. Thank you.